Hey everyone, it's G here, Gayon here in Cali. Welcome. It's Monday, April 9th, 2018. Welcome to my daily health tip today, guys. It's a new week. My son went back to school today. Spring break is over. He had 2 weeks off. He was not excited about going to school, but that's okay. First grade, he's just starting his school career. Anyway, so today I'm going to talk about the health benefits of avocado, one of my favorite fruits. I eat it every morning. Avocado every morning. I spread it on my toast or whatever I have for breakfast. Avocado brother, welcome. How you doing? Woo, my brother rock star is on. Hey brother, how's it going? So today I'm gonna share some health benefits about avocado. So hopefully you guys, if you're not eating avocados, avocado is one of those fruits that's available year round. Okay. And one of the great things about avocado is because of its thick skin, it's got thick skin, outer skin, you don't have to worry about pesticides penetrating through avocado. So this is one of those fruits where you don't have to buy it organic because the skin is thick, and so the pesticides, whatever they have to grow it doesn't penetrate through the skin. So I really hopefully guys encourage you to make sure you're eating avocado if you can, on a daily basis. It's one of the most healthiest fruits out there. Don't forget. So brother, thanks for the emoji. Okay, so let's talk about avocados. They've been the darling of social media, and they've been called America's new favorite fruit. And just so you know, quick reference that this article is in my Healthy You page. The link is right in the description, right below the video. The link is there, and I place all the articles I share in that page. Okay, on the Healthy You page. Okay, so. So they've been called Americans' favorite fruit. They're around year round. You can get avocado every year, throughout the entire year, which is awesome. So because it's available year round, all the health benefits is considered America's favorite fruit. And not only are they delicious, they're packed with vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that can help keep you healthy. So what are benefits of avocado? Better than a banana. Your body needs potassium to work normally. For example, the minerals help keep your heartbeat steady. Most people think of bananas when they think of this nutrient, but ounce for ounce, avocados have more. So they have more potassium. Okay, awesome. All right. Okay, another benefit is they protect your eyes. Avocados have lutein and xanthine, which absorb light waves that can harm your vision. People who eat lots of fruits rich in these antioxidants are less likely to have age-related muscular degeneration, the leading cause of blindness in older people, older adults. Most of an avocado's antioxidants are found in the dark green flesh that's close to the what did you want to be? Okay, close to the peel. Okay, so protect your eyes. Number 3, which is one I love, okay, is it helps you lose weight. I love this one. A half cup of guacamole has about 6 grams, about a fourth of your daily fiber needs. Fiber helps you feel full, so you're less likely to overeat. And although avocados are high in fat, it's mainly healthy monounsaturated fats. Research has found that this type of fat in your diet can help trim your waistline. Instead of chicken salad with mayo, try chickpeas with mashed avocado. And you can put avocado in your shakes too when you make your shakes. You can add avocado to it. So they help you lose weight. Woo, that's awesome. I love that. Okay. They help to boost your mood. Okay. In a cup of avocado slices, you'll get about 118 micrograms of folate, which is almost a third of what most adults need daily. People who don't get enough this vitamin B could be more prone to depression and less likely to respond well to antidepressants. Folate also plays a role in preventing birth defects, so expectant and new mothers are encouraged to get more. Okay, so they help boost your mood because of the micrograms of folate, and just eating one avocado, you're getting about what you need on a daily basis. Next benefit is they power you up. These greens gems are packed with a variety of other B vitamins too, including thiamine, riboflavin, and niacin. These help your body convert the food you eat into energy. Avocados are especially rich in niacin, which can fight inflammation in the body and protect your arteries by improving cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Another reason why avocados is awesome. You guys try to add it every day to your diet. Another benefit, good for your heart. Speaking of your blood vessels, the American Heart Association recommends that the majority of the fat you eat be unsaturated, like you'll find in avocados, rather than the saturated fats in foods like red meats and whole milk dairy foods. Early research now shows that avocado in particular can help lower bad cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood pressure. And again, remember, it's available all year round, so I would really recommend you guys start adding avocado to your diet. Save your brain, another benefit. Avocados give you a good dose of vitamin E, which may help protect against Alzheimer's disease and slow decline in memory and thinking skills. This may have to do with vitamin E's antioxidant properties. It can help fight cell damage caused over time by things like pollution and radiation from the sun. So that's awesome. Antioxidants, you get antioxidants. We need that, and we need antioxidants daily, so there you go. It strengthens your bones. On average, people eat half an avocado at a time. That gives an adult 15% of their daily vitamin K needs. Just half of an avocado, which is what I eat every day. I have half avocado that I eat for breakfast. This nutrient may help improve bone density and prevent fractures. Toss avocado pieces into spinach salad with salmon, tuna, or egg for even more vitamin K, along with vitamin D, another nutrient that's essential for bone health. So it's great for your bones, okay? So there you go. Another reason, another benefit of avocado. Healthy blood sugar. So if you're diabetic, hey, and we did an awesome video on Friday. My brother was on, I interviewed my brother. We talked about how he was able to reverse his type 2 diabetes, guys. So if you missed that interview I did with my brother and how he was able to reverse his type 2 diabetes, make sure you scroll through my timeline here and you'll find that video. So very, very powerful interview. If you guys missed it, make sure you check it out. So brother, isn't this awesome? Another advantage, another benefit of avocado is it helps to regulate your blood sugar. Because they're low in carbs and sugar and high in healthy fats and fiber, avocados check all the boxes as far as friendly for someone with diabetes. Woohoo! I just mentioned diabetes. So if you're diabetic, go with avocados. Awesome. That's something you should add to your diet, okay? If you don't have it now, but are worried about the future, here's some good news. Eating a plant-based diet that includes avocado could drop your chances of developing type 2 diabetes by 20%. That's a very nice percentage there. 20%, guys. According to a Harvard study that tracked 200,000 people for 20 years. So according to a Harvard study where it tracked 200,000 people, that's a lot of people, for 20 years, avocado can help reduce your chance of getting the type 2 diabetes by 20%. So there you go. It helps with your blood sugar, diabetes, guys. If you have that, brother, make sure you let your wife Beth, she needs to be eating avocados on a regular basis. Skincare. Whether you eat it or make it in a mass, avocado is great for your skin. Its antioxidants like vitamin C can help your skin look youthful by smoothing out wrinkles, and the same nutrients that protect your eyes also protect your skin from UV damage. Avocado paste may help wound healing, so you could slather it on a sunburn. Woohoo! See, there's another. There you go. You can put it in your skin. Great to know. It also, another benefit, it fights cancer. Avocados have oleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid, also found in olive oil and nuts, that can slash the odds of breast cancer, according to a study of more than 4,000 women. And a compound in avocados called Avocado B can kill leukemia cells, according to a lab study. Scientists are even looking into whether the papery husks that surround avocado pits have anything helpful. So it helps to fight cancer, guys. Breast cancer, isn't that awesome? So ladies, men, I hope this guys is helping you to understand the benefits of avocados and why we should be eating it. And it's available all year round. And just a half of avocado a day. Use it as a spread in your bread. I mean, I use it every day when I eat my eggs or for breakfast. I usually have avocados and I put it in my shakes as well. Okay. Another great reason, brother, is it improves prostate. Beta sitosterol, a kind of plant sterol, may help relieve symptoms of an enlarged prostate. It's part of the family of phytonutrients that help block your body from absorbing bad LDL cholesterol. Avocados have more than 4 times as much beta sitosterol as oranges, the next richest fruit source. So it helps improve the prostate. Awesome. Okay, guys. Hopefully that should encourage you. Team player. Certain nutrients like vitamin A, D, E, K, and the antioxidants lycopene are fat soluble, which means your body will absorb more of them when you eat them, along with some fat. Enter the avocado, which just so happens to taste delicious with tomatoes. Try it with pink grapefruit, watermelon, or cantaloupe too. So you can add your avocados in anything, in your fruit salad, whatever, in your salad. Use it as a spread, make, guacamole, guys, whatever. The point is, these are some great health benefits of avocado. So anyways, that's the end of the article, brother. That's it. So share this video this is a great article here that talks about the benefits of avocado. I know it's healthy because I always hear nutritionists, they always talk about how eat avocados, how great it is. So this is the first time I actually was able to actually dive deeper into why it's so healthy for us. And so we see all these benefits. Great for your eyes, your mood, helps for depression. It's good for your blood sugar. So for diabetic, it's definitely recommended for people with diabetes. It actually will help reduce type of diabetes if you eat it on a regular basis. It helps you to lose weight. It helps, it's amazing. It's because it has a healthy fats. It helps with your, like I said, the LDL cholesterol. It helps to, to lower your cholesterol, etc. So a lot of great benefits for avocado, and it's available all year round. You find this fruit all year. Okay, so, and again, as I stated earlier, the skin is thick, so you don't have to worry about pesticides getting through the avocado because the skin is so thick, so you don't have to buy it organic. That's one of those fruits, because of the thick skin, you can buy it. It doesn't have to be, you don't have to worry about pesticides penetrating through the skin. So you can get it just the regular avocado. It doesn't have to be organic. So guys, I encourage you, eat your avocados every day. You can add it to your shakes, your make guacamole, whatever. Be creative, but add it to your salads. But the point is, I would recommend you guys at least try to have at least a half avocado every day. Add it to your diet, brother. I know you do the juicing, so you could probably add some avocado to your juice, because again, it's very good for diabetes. And luckily, my brother doesn't have that anymore. He was able to reverse his type of diabetes. But definitely, whether you have diabetes or not, it doesn't matter. It's very healthy, and it should be a part of our healthy diet. So definitely, I hope these the benefits here help you guys out. And you share the video. Anyone needs to hear this message, share the video with your family and friends, and and let's help each other out. Anyways, guys, that's my topic for today. You guys are a rock star, brother. You are a rock star. Woohoo! So there you go. So it helps antioxidants. You get antioxidants as well. So as I leave here today, if you want to know what I recommend for you guys to get your antioxidants every single day, because we need antioxidants daily. And it helps that if you can have, something that you can take just once a day, where your body will actually make its antioxidants. That's phenomenal. So that you haven't to, eat it, consume it. Your body actually makes it on its own. That's a huge, huge, huge benefit to our health, to have that, that weapon there where the body is making its own antioxidants to fight against cellular damage, guys. That is huge. So if you want to know what I take and what I recommend to get antioxidants daily, certainly message me. And again, share the video, help your family and friends out, and start making sure you add avocados to your diet. And just a reminder again, as I leave here, there is the group. You can join my group, and where we're teaching you guys how to eat healthy, sharing recipes and food ideas that are healthy for you. That's also diabetes friendly. Everything I share in that group, all the foods that I'll be recommending, and ideas I'll be giving you guys, everything that I share there is diabetes friendly. So if you want to be a part of that group, just have to click on the link in the description of this video, and the link that says group diabetes group group diabetes friendly eating. That's the name of it. Just click there and you can join the group. Anyways, brother, you are a rockstar. Thanks for being on. You're awesome. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next healthy. Have a wonderful day. God bless, guys. Eat your avocados every day. Add it to your diet. Is very, very important for a diet. So that's it for today. I'm signing off now. This is G signing off. Have a wonderful day, everyone. God bless, and I'll see you all in my next health tip. Thanks, brother, for being on.